What's up, everyone? Welcome to TVT the Visionary Tycoon. I'm Kendrick, and today I'm going to be teaching you about 5 side hustles that you can use to make $100 a day or more. Let's dive in. Now, before we get started, I want to let you know that links to all the side hustles I mentioned in today's video will be found in the description box below. Side note, none of these companies are paying me to say anything good about their brands. This is not a sponsored video, nor are the links below affiliate in any way, shape, or form. I have either tried these methods myself to earn $100 a day, or have done great research before bringing it to your attention. With that said, let's dive in. Now, how does that saying go again? Opinions are like assholes. Everyone has one? Yeah, true. Everyone has an opinion, but did you know you can get paid money for your opinions? With that said, I give you number 1, user testing. That's right. If you have access to an opinion and a PayPal account, you could be making money right now up to $100 or more daily by giving your opinion on various websites and applications that you will test. Now, these tests or reviews that you give on user testing can take anywhere from 15 to an hour or more, and you can get paid on average around 10 to 30 bucks per test that you qualify for. Some even pay as much as 80 to 100 bucks, but those aren't as frequent. Now, with this, you can easily spend maybe 3 hours and get an extra 100 bucks by the end of your day. User testing is something that I tried in my recent past, and I definitely would recommend you giving a try if you're looking for a good side hustle. Now, for number 2 on the list, affiliate marketing. Now, I'm sure at some point in time you may have heard those words, but you may not know exactly what it means. Essentially, you become an affiliate for a brand and promote their products and gain a percentage of the profit for whatever it is you sell. Now, this is something that's been done for a while now by some of your favorite YouTubers, some of your favorite Instagram influencers, etc. And it's something that you can do also, believe it or not. You don't have to necessarily have a lot of followers on YouTube or be an Instagram model to qualify either. You can simply have either a niche specific YouTube channel that you would like to promote products on, or if you're really someone who wants to hustle and have a side hustle, as it's called, and really put in the work, you can even go as far as to get affiliate products, whether it's from my company's affiliate program, Amazon affiliate program, or any other affiliate program, and market them face to face with people you encounter in your daily life. Now, one thing that some people might find to be an issue with this side hustle is if you don't have a large following or interact with a lot of people in your day-to-day lives, getting that $100 a day could be difficult depending on what it is you're selling. If you're selling something that's educational in nature, like a course of some sort, then chances are you'd be making a lot more money than you would be if you were to be selling some clothes from my brand. Granted, I do offer up to 20% of the profit starting off with my affiliate program for my brand of Moneyware. So if you're someone who's creative or really wants to grind or has a lot of followers on social media that you would like to monetize, then affiliate marketing is a perfect side hustle for you. Next up, for number 3, we have courses. At some point, I'm sure while watching a YouTube video, you're interrupted with a commercial with a guy that's selling a course on business or how to do makeup or how to get into real estate or various things. Believe it or not, these individuals make lots of money for these courses, and with a good course you can make anywhere from $100 a day to a few $1,000s daily. Now, I know what you might be thinking, I'm not certified for anything worthwhile. Well, that's where creativity comes in handy. You could be a single mom who gives a course on how to raise a child by yourself. You can do a course on how to tie Boy Scout knots if you're someone who for some reason went to Boy Scout and still remember the hundreds of knots that you were taught. There's numerous things. Walking dogs, you can give courses on how to walk a dog properly, how to train a dog, how to do anything. Your options are unlimited. Now, with your courses, you can charge anywhere from $50 all the way to a couple $1,000. The choice is yours. Only thing that truly limits you when it comes to coming up with a course idea is what you have up here. So get creative, create a course, and you'd be surprised who might be interested in it. Number 4 on the list is similar to number 1, but requires a little bit more hands-on activity in this side hustle, and that would be focus groups. Using websites like focusgroups.com or focuspointglobal.com, you can make an account and sign up for various focus groups in your area that allows you to test products from various brands and give your opinion on said products to earn a little money. Products like new technology, new food, new movies, etc. The options are limited, and you can get paid anywhere from $30 up to a couple $100 per focus group that you end up doing. Now, similar to user testing, these reviews can take anywhere from 30 minutes to a couple hours. So keep that in mind when pursuing these side hustles, but know that these side hustles can still earn an extra $100 or more by the end of the day, daily, if you're willing to give them a try. Now, my 5th side hustle for today's list is going to be freelancing. For those of you who aren't familiar with what freelancing is, it's essentially where you trade your time to perform a certain skill for money. Now, like I said with creating courses, you may not think off the top of your head that you have a skill that is worth any form of money. But believe me when I say you do, whether it's simple edits on an Instagram photo for an Instagram model, whether it's web development, whether it's writing an article, whether it's taking a picture with a picture of Chuck Norris and holding a brand's name. Anything is possible. Now, if you really want to know how crazy you can get when it comes to freelancing and what you can offer for money, take a look at Fiverr and go deep down into their site. You'll be surprised. I personally am on Fiverr to develop websites and logos for brands. You can do something as simple as translate something from another language to English without even having to know the other language. All you have to do is go to Google, use translate, and read what it says for said individual, and you can make anywhere from $20 to $50 or whatever your rates are. The good thing about freelancing is that you're a contract worker, so you can charge whatever your heart desires, which is a lot more than you can save for a standard 9-to-5. So if you want to make $100 for designing a website, or for teaching someone how to say a particular word, or for singing a song if you're someone who can sing, or if you're someone who's creative, then you can do that. I definitely recommend you try freelancing, whether it's on Fiverr, Upwork, or any other site, to make an extra $100 a day or more. Thank you for making it to the end of the video. If I was able to bring you value in any way, shape, or form, show some support by hitting the like button. Also, feel free to hit the subscribe button followed by the bell icon so you can be notified when I post my next video, which will be every Monday. I'm Kendrick, and until next time, I'm out.